Have you ever wondered how you can earn from dropshipping? Well, let's start from the beginning. Dropshipping is a supply chain management method where the retailer, that's potentially you, doesn't keep goods in stock. Instead, you transfer customer orders and shipment details to either the manufacturer, another retailer, or a wholesaler. They take over from there, shipping the goods directly to the customer. This model has several advantages that make it particularly attractive. First, it requires lower capital investment than traditional retail models. You don't need to purchase inventory upfront, which reduces your financial risk. Second, it allows for a wider product selection since you're not limited by storage capacity. Third, it reduces risks associated with holding inventory, such as excess stock or dead stock. Finally, it offers location flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Now that we understand what dropshipping is, let's delve into how you can earn from it. So, how exactly can you make money from dropshipping? Well, the steps aren't as daunting as they might seem. Let's break it down. Firstly, choosing the right niche is of prime importance. This is the product or products you'll be selling, so it's crucial to find something that not only interests you, but also has a market demand. Think about it. If there's no demand, there's no sale. If there's no sale, there's no profit. Research extensively, identify trends, and understand what your potential customers might want. Next up, you must find reliable suppliers. Remember, you're not holding any inventory. Your suppliers are your lifeline, and they must be dependable. Look for suppliers who have excellent track records, superior product quality, and efficient delivery systems. This step will take time, but it's worth the effort for smooth operations down the line. Now, you're ready to set up your e-commerce store. There are plenty of platforms available, so choose one that best fits your needs. Your store should be user-friendly, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. Once your store is ready, it's time to list your products. Make sure to provide comprehensive product descriptions and high-quality images to attract customers. Setting prices is crucial. Your retail price should cover the wholesale price, shipping costs, taxes, and your profit margin. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a profit margin of at least 20%. Marketing is the lifeblood of your dropshipping business. Utilize social media, SEO, email marketing, and other digital marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store. Remember, the more traffic, the more potential sales. Customer service, often overlooked, is key to retaining customers. Ensure you provide excellent customer service to build trust and encourage repeat purchases. Finally, let's talk about profits. You earn from the difference between the wholesale price and the retail price. This is your reward for all the hard work you've put into setting up and running your business. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to earning from dropshipping. Every journey starts with a single step, and now you've got a roadmap. Happy dropshipping! Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points about dropshipping. The importance of choosing the right niche cannot be overstated. It's the foundation of your business, so make sure it's something you're passionate about and that has a ready market. Next, finding reliable suppliers is key. You're relying on them to deliver quality products on time, every time. Remember, your profits come from the difference between the wholesale and retail prices, so price your items wisely. Successful dropshipping also requires effective marketing and excellent customer service. Keep your customers happy and they'll keep coming back. However, while dropshipping has many advantages, it also has challenges like supplier errors, inventory issues, and low margins. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate business that requires dedication, hard work, and smart strategies. With the right approach and mindset, dropshipping can be a profitable online business model. Remember, success comes to those who work for it.